it's also important to point out that in the indictment, US authorities have also mentioned in black and white that the charges in the indictment are allegations and that the defendants are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty. And this is the statement, in fact, that has now been issued as well by Adani Green. And here is what the statement says. The allegations made by the US Department of Justice and the US Securities and Exchange Commission against directors of Adani Green are baseless and denied. So viewers, this is the second statement, in fact, that has been issued by the Adani Group. The previous one was from Adani Green Energy. Now this is a detailed, a long media statement by the Adani Group that has been put out, where they are saying that the allegations made by the US Department of Justice and US Securities and Exchange Commission against the directors of Adani Green are baseless and they deny all the allegations. As stated by the US Department of Justice itself, the charges in the indictment are allegations and the defendants are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty. All possible legal recourse will be sought. Remember, in India here, we have already seen this becoming a big political issue, but in the statement now, a point that has been made by the US Department of Justice has also been highlighted by Adani Group, where they are saying that these are mere allegations and the group is planning, in fact, to look at possible legal options that are available to them. They have also said the Adani Group has always upheld and is steadfastly committed to maintaining the highest standards of governance, transparency and regulatory compliance across all jurisdictions of its operations. We assure our stakeholders, partners and the employees that we are a law-abiding organization fully compliant with all laws. Remember, the Congress party has now alleged, in this war of words that we are seeing, that Adani Group has broken laws not just in India but in the US as well. And this is the response coming in from the Adani Group, an assurance to the stakeholders, to the employees as well, because following this news break, the stocks have taken a beating as well here in India in the stock market of Adani Group. And we are also seeing a war of words that has broken out over Congress and the BJP over the allegations by US prosecutors against Gautam Adani. In fact, Rahul Gandhi a short while ago held a press briefing as well, and he said that Gautam Adani should be arrested. He asked, why is Prime Minister Modi protecting Adani? We had another reaction coming in from Jairam Ramesh as well, who in fact put out a long post on social media platform X, and he said it has taken a foreign jurisdiction to properly probe Adani. A very big statement coming in. Then Sam Pitroda also has jumped into this entire controversy, saying it's a huge blow to Indian name and fame. So Congress party is targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Congress party had issued a statement as well earlier saying that this vindicates its demand for a JPC investigation into various charges against Adani. Not only this, Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, remember a short while ago he held a press conference. He launched an all-out attack seeking immediate arrest of Gautam Adani. Listen in.
It's now pretty clear and established in America that Mr. Adani has broken both American law and Indian law. He's been indicted in the United States, and I'm wondering why Mr. Adani is still running around a free man in this country. Chief ministers have been arrested, and Mr. Adani has done apparently one 2,000 crore scam, multiple others probably, but he's scot-free. And it's a vindication of what we've been saying. The Prime Minister is protecting Mr. Adani, and the Prime Minister is involved in corruption with Mr. Adani. अदानी जी का अरेस्ट होना चाहिए, आज अरेस्ट होना चाहिए. माधवी बुच जो हैं, जो उनकी प्रोटेक्टर हैं, जिन्होंने कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं किया, उनको हटाया जाना चाहिए, उन पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए. जेपीसी की मांग हमारी है, बट हम चाहते हैं कि अदानी जी को एकदम अरेस्ट किया जाए. और हम जानते हैं और हम देश को दिखाना चाहते हैं कि अदानी जी की अरेस्ट नहीं होगी. और इसलिए नहीं होगी क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री अदानी जी के पीछे खड़े हुए हैं और उनके प्रोटेक्टर।